Look around you. Everything you've ever known, every person, every story, every moment happened right here on this pale blue dot. A fragile world floating in the darkness, and this pale blue dot goes around the sun. Our sun may seem special, big, bright, and blazing, but it's just one ordinary star among hundreds of billions in our galaxy. And our galaxy? It's one among trillions, swirling in a universe so vast it defies comprehension. You are here, on a tiny blue world orbiting an average star in an unremarkable corner of a vast galaxy. But how small are we, really? The universe may not care that we exist, but your subscribe might help this channel reach a few more stars. And try to stick around till the end. There's a bonus section with a mind-blowing fact about scale you won't want to miss. Today we zoom out, from your body to the edge of the cosmos, to understand our scale and our significance, or maybe our insignificance. Let's begin with you, about 1.7 meters tall, roughly 70 kilograms, made up of trillions of cells, each a universe of activity. Zoom in far enough and your body disappears into atoms and quantum uncertainty. But we're not going in, we're going out. The Earth is 12,742 kilometers wide. It would take over 7 billion of you lined up to wrap around it once. The Moon is 384,400 kilometers away, a distance we've actually traveled. Mars? Over 200 times farther. The edge of our solar system, the heliopause, is more than 18 billion kilometers away, and even then, we're still inside the cosmic front porch. Light from the Sun takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. It takes over 4 hours to reach Neptune. To get to the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, light takes 4.2 years. Let that sink in. In those same 4 years, you could reshape your world. 4 years, a blink for light, a lifetime for us. Our Sun is one of 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way, a single dot in a swirling spiral that is 100,000 light years wide. Imagine the Sun as a single grain of sand on a beach. At that scale, the Milky Way would span more than 4,000 kilometers, enough to cover an entire continent. And still, we're not done zooming out. Beyond our galaxy, we see galaxy clusters, each with their own billions of stars. The observable universe contains more than 2 trillion galaxies. That's more stars than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. The edge of what we can see is 46.5 billion light years away in all directions. Not because the universe is 93 billion years old, but because it's expanding faster than light. And beyond that edge, we don't know. We may never know. You're no more than a ripple in space and time. You're a blink in time, a whisper in space, a pattern that formed, then vanished. But maybe the point isn't how small we are, but that we can ask this question at all, that something so small can contemplate something so vast. Before you go, here's something wild. The number of atoms in your body is roughly 7 octillion. That's 7 followed by 27 zeros. That's more atoms than there are stars in the entire observable universe. So, in a strange way, you're not just small, you're also unimaginably massive from the inside out. So, how small are we in the universe? Tiny beyond comprehension. But in that tiny space, we build meaning, ask questions, and seek the truth. And that might be what makes us remarkable. Thanks for watching. We may be small, but our questions are infinite. And in a universe this vast, maybe that's what truly makes us extraordinary. Don't forget to subscribe It keeps our curiosity orbiting, and stick around. There are bigger questions just ahead.